Want to know how to start a Skool community? In this quick explainer, we're going to walk you through exactly how you can set up your own community on Skool, why you might want to do it, and if it's the right tool for your needs. Stick around until the end, where I'll also share some exclusive benefits and alternatives that could help you hit your goals even faster. Let's dive in. So, the first thing you need to know about starting a Skool community is how easy it is to set up. Skool is designed to be intuitive and user friendly. All you need to do is create an account, and within minutes, you can start building your community. You can organize your community by topics or groups, which makes it simple to keep things organized and ensure your members get the best experience. Next thing, customizing your community. Skool gives you options to create a unique experience for your members. You can design the look of your community, set up courses, and even gamify the experience with rewards. However, don't expect a super deep customization, as the platform doesn't offer as many design features as some competitors like Mighty Networks or Circle. You get what you need, but if you're after something more intricate, you might hit some limitations. The third thing, engagement. Skool's community features are focused on discussions and group interactions. It's got a built-in forum, a messaging system, and you can even post videos directly within the community. But while it encourages engagement, it's still somewhat limited in terms of integrations with other platforms. If you're running webinars or want more robust third-party tools, you might find yourself needing extra solutions to keep things running smoothly. The fourth thing is pricing. Skool offers a pretty affordable plan compared to alternatives like Circle or Kajabi, which might have higher price points. But the catch is that while it's cheap, you get fewer features when compared to the competition. Skool is not designed for large-scale content delivery or advanced analytics, so if you need a powerful tool for monetization, there are other options worth considering. Next up, let's talk about alternatives. While Skool does a lot of things well, depending on your goals, other tools might serve you better. Platforms like Circle or Mighty Networks are often praised for their flexibility and deeper customization options. They can be more expensive, but they allow you to integrate with a wider range of tools. If you're looking for a community with more robust features right out of the gate, you might want to look into these. Finally, what makes Skool stand out is its simplicity and focus on the core elements of community building, forums, discussion groups, and easy access to content. If your goal is to build a tight-knit, no-frills community without needing tons of features, Skool could be a great choice. But if you're looking for more advanced capabilities like robust analytics, deeper customization, or integrations with other tools, it might be worth checking out other platforms. So, if you're looking to start your community on Skool, I've got some great news. We've got an exclusive and extended free trial for Skool, which you can access through the link below. But if Skool isn't the best fit for your goals, don't worry. I've also listed some alternatives that come with their own free trials and could be better suited for you, depending on what you're after. Click the link below to get started with the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.